Now we are in AFROPLAST 2025. It is my pleasure to invite Mr. Salamoni from Pyramids Plastic. Hello, Mr. Salamoni. Nice to meet you.
Me too.
I know you are the CEO for the Pyramid Plastic, and could you please introduce your company to me? And how was whole the industry sector in Egypt?
Okay, thanks. Firstly, let me talk about Pyramids Plastics story. We established the company in 2019 with a simple yet ambitious vision.
Yes.
Is to produce high quality plastics products to all the market in Egypt. While our beginning were modest, we realized that we can expand and do more than production. So we decided to shift our focus towards having or offering integrated solutions and the project to other industries in Egypt.
Yes.
To cover all the needs and to help them to achieve maximum results.
That's wonderful. What are the key sector Pyramid Plastic operating?
We work across multiple sectors in Egypt to provide a comprehensive solution for various industries. For example, we are automotive sector, medical sector, agriculture sector, constructions and furniture. So it's a lot of sectors we are operating in fully to enhance the industries and to empower industries in Egypt to achieve the result as well. With the latest technology we have from Borche.
Could you elaborate on your partnership with Borche?
Yeah, as for partnership exclusively with Borche,
yes,
it has been a game changer for us and for the market as well. We have become the exclusive agent of Borche for their injection molding machine in Egypt. That's mean, you know what's mean? It means that we are bringing the latest technology to Egyptian market, to local market, along with complete technical support with overall Egypt area, covering all over Egypt to ensure our client achieve maximum productivity and the quality.
Now, this time you come here to take part in the AFROPLAST 2025, and could you please share to me how did you see this exhibition?
Our participation this year in AFROPLAST was a great success. We showcased the latest machine we offered and highlighted the solution tailored especially for the needs of various industries all over Egypt. We also provided the visitors a good opportunity to engage directly with the technical team and see how machines are operating and how machine is working in live and in action. Bringing it to the exhibition helped us. I will continue, okay? So you can merge it. Being part of the exhibition helped us to connect with the new companies and build strong partnership with our clients and new clients.
So, did you offer any special deal during the exhibition?
Absolutely. We are offering exclusive promotion, including significant discounts, free maintenance offer and services. Also, we are providing a training to the new customer how to operate the machines.
Yes.
Our goal was to provide the clients with a cutting-edge technology at the best possible value.
Wow, that's wonderful. So finally, what message would you like to share with your client?
To all our clients, existing and the future one, I want to say your success is our goal. Always is our goal, your success. At Pyramids Plastic, we are committed to delivering the best solution to meet your expectation. We believe in partnership. Because the true success is always coming from the partnership. And we are here to support you with the advanced and new technology from Borche. And also, I need to mention that we are now with Winzo. It's a very big company for auxiliary systems. They are here with in the same booth here. Their machine to Egyptian market, having a great quality. So we are doing Class A portfolio, latest technology machines in Egypt.
That is perfect. I'm sure in the future, more and more customers will choose to cooperate with you.
Inshallah.
Thank you. I wish good business. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.